All right, let's unbox the SoundPEATS C30. That's as cheap as $31.99 on Amazon. These bad boys are IP54 water and dust resistant, Bluetooth 6.0, and they have 12mm drivers. You got your manual in here. Nobody reads this, but it's there. And you get stickers for your kids, or if you're a big kid like me, you get stickers for yourself. Now these are rated 4.4 stars on Amazon out of 5, so I'm anxious to see what they're working with. Nice, very grippy case, so you don't have to worry about dropping this. Let's check out the presentation, which is always nice with SoundPEATS. I love the black and gray. Let's check out the buds themselves. They look just how they feel. Nothing crazy. They seem solid. I like to take these tips off so we can see how far the stem will go in your ear. All right, let's get this other one out of here. Now, usually I leave any struggle in my unboxing out, but this time I didn't edit this out because this case literally got left and right labeled. So as easy as these should be to put back in, I struggled for about a minute. They are not hard to put in, y'all. I don't know why I had such a hard time. Both of the earbuds are labeled left and right. The case even have left and right on the slots. Why did this take me so long? But once you take them out, if you can ever get them back in, you will be met with an update. I always welcome new updates with a new product because that means improvement. Now, when you get this app, you have access to a 10-band EQ and some budget earbuds. You also have access to 10 solid presets. Most of the time, I'm able to find the sound that I'm looking for right in here. I do see people saying they don't like the app. I never had an issue with the app. I love the app. I love that you can download other people's custom EQs. As far as the default sound out the box, I'm gonna give y'all a warning. Do not put these on max volume. They get extremely loud, but they still maintain their clarity. Highs are crisp, the mids are subtle, and the bass is very strong, but it somehow maintains control. As a person who loves beats and done videos on all the beats released in the last 2 years, I like these better. Beats and AirPods do not have a custom EQ, and that is the one thing these other companies have over Apple, which is really crazy because we're paying over $100 for AirPods and Beats, but then you have a $31 budget earbud that has a custom EQ. Speaking of budget, that brings us to the biggest flaw of these, the noise cancellation. The noise cancellation is about the same as most earbuds in its price range, which is never a good thing. You can barely tell it's on. I thought I was using these in normal mode and went to turn on the ANC and it was already on. The plus side, the active and passive noise cancellation is so bad that the transparency mode is spectacular. One major pro about these is the battery life. You're getting 10 hours per earbud and 42 hours on the case. In a 10-minute charge, it gets you 3 hours of battery life. I've been trying to remove talking about the fitment of earbuds because everybody's ears are different, but for me, these are so comfortable you forget that they are in your ear. I can't remember if I sniffed these yet. All right, we have switched to the QuickTime player on a MacBook so we can do a mic test and make sure we are using a microphone from the SoundPEATS C30. The little one is right in the background. She has a TV on, so let's see how this separates my voice from the background. But that's all I got for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.